Welcome to Andhra Pradesh, a land of vibrant culture, economic vitality, and sweeping political changes. Nestled on the southeastern coast of India, Andhra Pradesh is flanked by the states of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu, with a coastline that stretches along the azure waters of the Bay of Bengal. Home to the majestic Eastern Ghats and nourished by the Krishna and Godavari rivers, Andhra Pradesh is a tapestry of diverse landscapes, from fertile coastal plains to lush hill mysterious caves like the Bora Caves. The primary language spoken here is Telugu, a testament to the state's rich linguistic heritage. As we delve deeper, we discover a cultural treasure trove. Andhra Pradesh is renowned for its classical dance form, Kuchipudi, which captivates audiences worldwide. This cultural vibrancy is matched by its historical and religious significance, with landmarks such as the Tirumala Venkateswara Temple drawing pilgrims and tourists alike. Economically, Andhra Pradesh is known as the Rice Bowl of India, a nod to its extensive rice production. The state is also a major producer of spices and mangoes. However, its economy is not solely agrarian. Industrial and technological sectors are burgeoning, particularly in Visakhapatnam, the state's largest city. Politically, Andhra Pradesh has experienced significant transitions. Following the bifurcation in 2014 that created Telangana, the state has embarked on a path of transformation. With Chandrababu Naidu as the chief minister, new policies are shaping the state's future. Efforts to attract investments, create jobs, and develop infrastructure are at the forefront, with a spotlight on Amaravati, the state capital. One of the state's ambitious undertakings is the Polavaram irrigation project, aimed at revolutionizing water management and supporting agricultural expansion. Meanwhile, the Visakhapatnam region continues to evolve as an industrial and technological hub, reflecting the state's commitment to progress. As we conclude our journey through Andhra Pradesh, we see a state that honors its past while embracing the future. Its cultural richness, economic ambitions, and political endeavors paint a dynamic picture of growth and potential. Thank you for joining us in exploring this remarkable region where tradition and innovation coexist in harmony.